Hello everyone, welcome to the class of Zoology. I am Dr. Vandana Bhavare. Let us study about phylum Chordata. The word chordate is derived from a Greek word. Chorde means string and eta means bearing. Chordates includes organism having dorsal tubular nerve cord, notochord and gill slits. So, this diagram indicates a dorsal tubular nerve cord, notochord and pharyngeal gill slits. This is the primitive chordate. These are some of the examples of chordates like Pisces, like frog, you can see the reptiles, birds. Now, let us study the classification of phylum Chordata. Phylum Chordata is divided into group Protochordata and Euchordata. Protochordates, they are also called as acraniata, means the brain box is absent, and euchordates, they are called as craniata as the brain box is present. Protochordates are again divided into three subclasses, subphylums, that is phylum Hemichordata, Urochordata and Cephalochordata. Nowadays, subphylum Hemichordata is considered as a separate phylum as it is having half chordate and half non-chordate characters. Euchordate is again divided into subphylum Vertebrata. Subphylum Hemichordata is divided into three classes, class Entrepneista, class Pterobranchia. Urochordata is divided into class Acidiaceae, Thaliaceae and Larvaceae. Class subphylum Cephalochordata is divided into class Leptocardi. Again, in subphylum Vertebrata, it is divided into two divisions, Agnatha and Gnathostomata. Agnatha means jaws are absent, Gnathostomata in which the jaws are present. Agnatha are having class Ostracodermi and Placodermi. Class divisions Gnathostomata is again divided into superclass Pisces and Tetrapoda. Pisces are divided into class Placodermi, Chondrioctes and Osteoctes. Tetrapoda are divided into Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves and mammals. So, this is the general classification of phylum Chordate. The general characters, these are some of the examples of the classes. General characters, if you can see, chordates, the fundamental characters of chordates, they are having dorsal tubular nerve cord, notochord and pharyngeal gill slits. Generally, they are having the anterior posterior axis, they are bilaterally symmetrical organisms. They are made up of three germ layers, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm, and they are having well developed coelom, that is true coelom is lined by mesoderm, and they are having organ system like digestive system, respiratory system, reproductive system and nervous system. So, this is all about phylum Chordata. Thank you.